Now it's time for our roll the dice lesson. These are dice, and they have dots on them, and the dots are different numbers. This is 1 dot. That stands for the number 1. This is 2 dots, 1, 2. So that is for 2, the number 2. This is the number 3, with 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. This is 4 dots for the number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 dots for the number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for the number 5, 5 dots for the number 5. And this is 6 dots for the number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So you count the dots to find out what number it is. And I have 2. So if I go like this and roll them, so I have 2 dice, and I have 2 sets of dots. I put them together for a number. So I go 1, 2, and then on the other dice, I go 3, 4, 5. I could roll 1 dice, and that is 6 dots, or the number 6. You can roll it again and get a different number. That is 2 dots for the number 2. I could also roll 2 dice. Go like this. And I have 4 dots altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be for the number 4. Roll it again. And this time I have how many dots? How many dots do I have? 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And do it again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots. That would be for the number 8. How many is that? And what number would that be? 1, 2. The number 2. That is how you roll the dice, and that is how you get your numbers. So you can give yourself a check for your roll the dice lesson. Now we can get our worksheet, the roll the dice activity page, and it looks like this. If you don't have it, you can pause the video and ask your adult helper to print it for you from your lesson page, or you can get it from your Clever Cat preschool book. You can also get your scissors from your daily supply kit, and we can cut our numbers out. So start at the edge, cut it just like that, follow a straight line, and do you remember what shape these are? These are squares. 4 equal sides, where the sides are all the same size, so that is a square. And then you can do it like this. Once you cut off the extra, you can cut them in rows or columns, just like that. You could either do it that way or that way, from the bottom to the top. And then we can make our squares. Did you notice the squares have numbers on them? We're going to make ourselves a number game that we can play together. I'll show you how to play it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 numbers, and they all have the number written on them. Now for something fun. And you can do this with me, or you can watch and then go back and do it when I'm done. I'm getting a B for blue crayon. When you're ready, you can do this with me. This is the number 1, and I'm going to hold the number 1 with 2 fingers to hold it in place, and we write the number 1 this way. Take your crayon, put it on the top, and it goes down. That is the number 1. This is the number 2. You hold on to it. If you're writing these with me, and you take your crayon, you start at the top and go around and down and across. And that is how you write a number 2. This is the number 3. You start at the top, and you can hold it with 2 fingers or a finger and a thumb. You start at the top and come around to the middle and come around to the bottom, like that. That is the number 3, and that is how you write number 3. This is a number 4. There are 2 ways to write number 4. You can start at the top and come down to the bottom. Lift up, go back to the top, and come across to the middle, and then across like that. That is one way to draw a number 4. Another way to make a number 4 is this way. You go to the top and come down. Lift up, go back to the top, come across to the top, and come down and across. That is also a number 4. This is the number 5, and you write a number 5 like this. You start at the top and go across, go down to the middle, and go around. And it takes practice to get these looking nice. So if it's not perfect, don't worry. The more often you write your numbers, the nicer they will look. Just do the best you can. This is the number 6. You start at the top and go around to the bottom and back up and around to the middle, like that. This is the number 7, and you write a 7 like this. You go to the top and come across, and then you come down, like that. So it comes down and across. This is number 8. You start at the top, you come down and around, and down and around, and up and around, and up and around. You could also go down and around, and across, and down and around, and up. And number 9. This is how you write our blue number 9. You start at the top and go around. And when you're back at the top, and then you come down. This is number 10. And this is how we will write our number 10. Come to the top and go down. That is a number 1. But then also we have a 0. And it goes to the top and goes all the way around to the bottom and back up to the top. And that is what a number 10 looks like. And that is how you write a number 10. This is number 11. It has a 1 and a 1. And we start at the top and come down to the bottom. We go back to the top and come down to the bottom. That is a number 11. This is the number 12. It has a number 1 and a number 2 in it. And so we go to the top and come down to the bottom. Come back to the top and go around, across and down, and across. And that is how we make a number 12. Now we're going to play a little dice game. Take our 2 dice, and I'm going to roll it. And you can play this too, but you can watch for now. And roll it. What number is that? 1, 1, 2. Did you say the number 2? Remember how we make the number 2? We start near the top and come around and down and across and across. That is a number 2. And we got a number 2, so we can set that aside. Let's try again. Do you know what number that is? Remember, count your dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you count 5? That matches number 5. And we write our number 5 like this. Start at the top and come across and come down and then around and down. That is a number 5. Let's try again. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 dots. So the number 5 again. Try again. What number is that? You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the number 8. And this is also the number 8. And we can write our number 8 like this. Start at the top, come down, and around, and across, all the way to the bottom. And then you can go up and around, back to the top. That is a number 8. You could also write a number 8 this way. Start at the top, and come down and around to the middle and down to the bottom and up to the middle and up and around to the top. There's also a number 8. Let's roll our dice again. This is the game. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you count 7? And this is our number 7, right? And we write our number 7 this way. Start at the top and come across. And then down and across. 7. What number do you see? Count them. You can count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the number 10. Do you see the number 10? Right there. That is the number 10. And you write a number 10 this way. Go to the top and come down. Go back to the top, go around to the bottom, and back around to the top. So you go all the way around. That is how you write the number 10. What number is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There is our number 3. And we write our number 3 like this. So our blue number 3 is like that. You start at the top. Here, we'll write it again. Start at the top and come around to the middle and back around to the bottom. Top, middle, bottom. That was a number 3. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is our number 9. And we write a number 9 like this. Come to the top and go around. And then down. Or sometimes the same number comes up. You just have to count them. But you can keep rolling your dice until all the numbers are gone. What number is that? We have 2 number 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives us 12 altogether. Do you see the number 12? Very good. That is the number 12. And we write the number 12 like this. Start at the top and come down. Go back to the top and come around. And down and across. And across. And that is the number 12. Let's roll again. What number is that? That is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the number 10. But we already found the number 10. So let's try again. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the number 8. And we already found the number 8. So we'll try. Let's count this number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 altogether. Did you see that? That is the number 11. And we write the number 11 this way. Go to the top and come down. Go back to the top and come down. And that is how you make the number 11. We can set the 11 and 12 to the side. We already found the 12. I forgot to move the 12, but that's okay. Now these numbers, do you remember how many are on the die? You can either roll 2 dice for this part, or you can roll 1 dice. The only way to get the 1 would be to roll 1 dice. We don't have a side with no dots. So we'll go with 1 net for now. What number is that? 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. That is a number 1. And there is a number 1. And how do we write a number 1? Go to the top and come down to the bottom. That is how we write number 1. Set that aside now that we got it. Let's roll again. What number is that? That's a number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could also try again. That could also get us the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could also get the number 6 that way. You just have to count the dots. You write a number 6 like this. You start at the top and come down and around and up and around to the middle, like that. And that is your number 6. And we have one more. We have the number 4. And we can roll our dice. That is not 4. That is 1, 2, 3. That is not 4. That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we keep going until we get 4. That is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do you remember? There are also 2 ways to write number 4. And there are 2 ways to write number 4. So you start at the top and come down. Go back, lift up and come back to the top. Come down and across to the middle and across. You can also go from the top and come down. Lift up, come up to the top and across and down and over like that. That is also the number 4. Great job! You completed your Roll the Dice activity page. You can give yourself another nice big check. And you also know how to write all those numbers 1 to 12. So let's give ourselves another nice big check. We made our own game and we get a check for doing it. We've done so much today, we're getting to be a very clever cat. Look how full our check sheet is getting for today. Checks are very important because the checks tell everyone how much we have done to become a very clever cat. Plus, it's fun to show off the check sheet full of checks at the end of the day.